Hi, I'm Don Kent. Welcome to Schoodic Institute at Acadia National Park. Schoodic Institute is a center for science and education research. We work in a unique way. We integrate science, education, and communication to broad audiences. We work in partnership with the National Park Service and with universities and other organizations and individuals. We create opportunities for hands-on team-based learning for students and adults. We develop best practices and bring together people to diagnose problems and create solutions. We fundamentally believe that if you provide people with the knowledge and understanding of science and education, they will make good decisions. Decisions that lead to the responsible use and protection of our natural environment. The result is that the Schoodic Institute is helping people here in Maine, across the nation, and across the world adapt to environmental change.
Hi, welcome to Schoodic Institute. I'm Marcella and I'm one of the general ecology field technicians here. We have a little something for everyone here to enjoy, from tide pools and the ocean to mountains and trees, and we're so glad you're here to explore.
The thrilling thing about working at the Schoodic Institute is to acknowledge that it's one of 19 research and learning centers across the country housed in national parks. It becomes a place, a venue, if you will, where researchers, educators, and the public can commingle with the work that's being done. So we bridge that gap between research and education. We bring those things together, and that, in effect, helps us in terms of the recommendations that we make to the decision makers here in Acadia National Park and to conservation policy that happens nationwide.
Schoodic Institute and Acadia National Park work together on a daily basis. We work on a variety of different programs and capacities. An example of that is the Second Century Stewardship Initiative, which is a partnership with Schoodic Institute and the National Park Service, in which we're placing research fellows right here in Acadia National Park, focused on really important research. So it's my expectation and hope that we see more science here, that we see even more kids coming to enjoy the peninsula and engage in programs here at Schoodic through the Schoodic Institute that allow us to really maximize the value and benefits of the place.
The Forest Ecology program focuses on science, education, and conservation. And this is really especially research that inspires and informs environmental stewardship. And it's also research that engages citizen scientists and learners of all ages. And so this is the forest research. This is about studying especially tree species and understanding their responses to changing environmental conditions, especially to seedlings in the forest understory, and understanding how they're responding and what that means for the future of these forests. So we have every summer undergraduates coming in and working with the Forest Ecology program, and this gives them an opportunity for exposure and experience in ecology and with careers in this field. And it also provides the Forest Ecology program with opportunities for conducting more research and field work across the park and across the region.
Schoodic Institute provides a lot of opportunities, and partnering with the Park Service, it enables us to do so much more than we could ever accomplish by ourselves. It helps us reach a lot more schools and provide an experience for a lot more children. We work to provide opportunities where they can be inspired by nature. So our goal is to help start a sense of stewardship.
Okay, so I'm Hannah Weber. I'm the Research and Education Projects Manager here at Schoodic Institute. Today we're at Fraser Point in Acadia National Park, and we're conducting an intertidal BioBlitz. The cool thing about BioBlitzing and about working with citizen scientists is that you hear a lot of, woo, oh my gosh, ah! And it's so awesome to be the person or one of the people who gets to instigate that, to be the one who has gotten the people to the intertidal or to a place where they can have these amazing and incredible discovery moments.
So the National Park Service has been doing science and science communication and science education in one particular way for a long time, and we have a staff that's really set up to do that. And what Schoodic Institute does is it helps us test out innovative alternative ways of doing things. So, and what's great is because Schoodic Institute has education research, they have forest ecologists, they have people who really know how to bridge science and communication and really can test out lots of different things regarding citizen science. That's capacity that we wouldn't be able to do ourselves without a partner like Schoodic Institute that can bring in this expertise and really have the flexibility to try things out that are tougher for us to do as a federal agency alone.
This is a magical place where it's easy, frankly, to fall in love. To fall in love with the beauty and the surroundings and the park, but also to understand that this is a place where really important science is going on, where educational programs are dealing with students from high school or elementary school or colleges or lifelong learners. And it's ultimately a place that can really matter, can make a difference at a time when climate is changing, when natural forces are really becoming more dramatic. This is a spot that brings all those pieces together. It's a community of people, and I hope you'll join us and be a part of it in whatever way you can.
Thank you for visiting Schoodic Institute at Acadia National Park. We promote scientific literacy and environmental stewardship. Your support enables Schoodic Institute to continue to solve critical environmental challenges. Please donate today. Thank you.